How to manage your credit cards and make payments online. Go to the User menu in the top navigation bar and click on Credit Card Payment Manager. Here you can make payments on your invoices at any time. First, select the invoices you wish to pay. Then, select the credit card you want to use or add a new credit card if desired. Be sure to check the consent box under your credit card information. Click the Submit Payment button to complete the payment process. You will then see your confirmation and transaction ID number.